In the UK, landlords are legally required to verify the right to rent for all tenants. This ensures that anyone renting a property has the legal right to live in the UK. Failure to comply can lead to serious consequences for landlords, including hefty fines. Understanding the process ensures a smooth and legal tenancy agreement. The Right to Rent scheme falls under the Immigration Act 2014. Landlords must check the immigration status of all adult tenants, aged 18 and over, before they move into a property. This applies regardless of nationality, even for British citizens. They must also retain copies of the verified documents for the duration of the tenancy. Failure to comply can result in a civil penalty of up to £3,000 per tenant. Tenants must provide the necessary documents and attend any required meetings. Landlords cannot discriminate based on nationality or immigration status. There are various documents a tenant can provide to prove their right to rent in the UK. These documents are categorised into two lists: List A and List B. List A includes a UK passport, a biometric residence permit, or a settled status document. List B includes a European driving licence or a national identity card. Landlords should familiarise themselves with both lists. They can access the complete list on the UK government's website. Step-by-step guide to right to rent verification. The right to rent check is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. Firstly, the landlord should ask all prospective adult tenants to provide their original documents proving their right to rent. This should be done before the tenancy agreement is signed. Secondly, the landlord should check the documents carefully, ensuring they are genuine and valid. Thirdly, the landlord should make clear copies of all checked documents and retain them. Finally, the landlord should record the date of the check and the details of the documents checked. For non-UK and Ireland renters, they must create a right to rent share code through the UK government's online service. This code should be provided to the landlord, who can then verify the tenant's right to rent online. By following these steps, landlords can ensure they are meeting their legal obligations. Proper right to rent verification benefits both landlords and tenants. For landlords, it ensures compliance with the law, protecting them from hefty fines and legal action. It also helps prevent illegal immigration. For tenants, it guarantees their right to live and rent in the UK. Failure to comply can have serious consequences. This can include civil penalties, criminal prosecution, and damage to reputations.